Trisolaris is a decentralized exchange on the Near blockchain, running on Near's Aurora engine. Trisolaris delivers high-speed trading to users at less than a fraction of the cost of Ethereum or any Ethereum L2. To start, go to Trisolaris website. I have left the link in the description below. Connect to MetaMask. Make sure you're connected to Aurora mainnet. If you want to learn how to connect MetaMask to Aurora mainnet, click on the link in the top right corner to learn how to do it. Select the pair of tokens that you want to swap. Then click on Approve button to approve your token. In this case, we click on Approve USDT. Confirm the transaction in MetaMask. Now click on Swap. And then, click on Confirm Swap. Confirm the transaction in MetaMask. Wait for the message of confirmation. And that's how you swap tokens on Trisolaris. If you want to add liquidity to a pool, go to Pool tab. Click on Add Liquidity. Select the pair of tokens to which you want to provide liquidity. Enter the amount of tokens you want to add. And click on Approve button. Confirm the transaction in MetaMask. Once the transaction is confirmed, click on Supply. And then, click on Confirm Supply. Now, wait for the message of confirmation. That's it. You have successfully added liquidity to the pool. You can also find the links to the bridges for Aurora here. If you want to learn how to bridge assets to and from Aurora, go to the link in the top right corner for a video tutorial on how to do it. For more tutorials like this, like the video and subscribe to the channel.